Honey, you know, lately I've noticed some changes in our daughter and I'm just starting to become very concerned.
Well, honey, what do you think it is? Do you think she's been taking the fertilizer?
No, I don't think it's that. I think it's more of something else. Come on.
Well, that onion has been hanging around here quite often.
Oh.
We need to talk to you.
About what the fuck?
Language! Language!
Honey, please. Listen, we need to talk to you about something. You've been acting different lately.
Damn it, you two are always on my twat.
I said language, Missy!
Honey, we need to talk to her about, you know, shall we talk to her about it?
The onion boy, is that what this is about?
Listen, are you pregnant?
No!
Well then what the hell is that?
Oh no, my water's breaking. Fuck.
God damn it. Fuck.